morning, y'all. What is up? Welcome back to my channel. It is a bright and early Monday morning. I just got back from the gym. It is 7:10, so we are right on schedule. You guys, last night I was getting ready for bed. I was just looking over my calendar and I just can't believe how fast time is flying. In fact, I feel like this is a really busy season of life for everyone. I mean, there's so much that goes on this time of year. Besides all of the holiday festivities coming up, I also have quite a good amount of travel over the next few months. So what I want to do this week is dedicate any free time I have, just like over the next couple of days, to kind of help set myself up for success. There's a few things I absolutely want to take care of. I've got to switch out some of the clothes in my closet because it is chillier now, and that's just going to help me with packing for trips. I need to have all my proper clothes out in my closet, like that's a given. I'm gonna do some light fall meal prep. I also have been really meaning to pack up and send out some care packages to family, and this is like the only time that I'm gonna have to do it, so we have to do that. But yeah, that's what I have in store for this vlog. We'll see what else we end up getting into. I'm gonna get on with my morning routine, feed Cleo, make my smoothie, do all the things. But yeah, that's what I have in store for the vlog. If you're new here, hi, I'm Adrienne. I moved back to the USA early this year after living abroad. So this is my new life. If you guys follow me on TikTok or Instagram, or I also mentioned it, I think, in my recent video, I am officially on the ag1 train. I'm sure some of you guys are like, wow, I can't believe you haven't tried it yet, because I feel like ag1 has become very popular over the last few years. And when I lived abroad, there were so many brands, like so many health and wellness brands that I really wanted to try, but I didn't have access to them over there. So now that I'm back in the States, I'm just so happy that I can get my hands on several of the brands I've been wanting to try. And I want to give a huge thank you to ag1 for partnering with me on this video. If you guys are not familiar, ag1 is pretty much a drink, and it comes in powdered form in this little container like this. You just mix it in water, and it ends up being a creation that looks like this. So that one scoop, this works to support not only gut health, but the ag1 Next Gen has been clinically shown to help improve the nutrient gaps that so many of us have, and they actually just updated their formula, which is awesome. You guys know I'm pretty conscious and happy with the things I put in my body, but there is one thing: I have never been a probiotic or a multivitamin girly. It's so overwhelming to pick one. You guys know I have decision fatigue. When you take this every day, it replaces the need to have a multivitamin or a probiotic, because it's made with 5 probiotic strains, and it has over 75 vitamins and minerals that are essential for our daily health, all in that one little scoop. If you guys didn't know why it's so beneficial to be taking probiotics every day, it helps tremendously with gut health, keeping your body regular, making sure you're going to the bathroom regularly. The difference I've seen with bloating, I don't have that uncomfortable bloated feeling, and I know for a fact it has to do with this. When I was battling really bad cystic acne, I started learning a lot more about gut health and why it's so important to support our gut, because especially as women, when it comes to things like our energy levels, the condition of our skin, it's literally all intertwined with the condition of our gut. I'm sure you guys can tell it's got a green color. That's because this is stocked up and filled with superfoods for stuff like energy production, metabolism. They are incredibly rigorous when it comes to testing the quality of their nutrients. They actually have what's called the NSF Certified for Sport, which is kind of like the gold standard, I guess you could say, when it comes to like quality and safety certification. So we love that, and I love knowing that because it makes me feel even more confident when I drink this. I notice a difference in my body from the first day that I started drinking this. A lot of times I will hit that like 2 to 3 p.m. crash, and I specifically remember it was getting towards the afternoon the first day I started drinking this, which was like 4 weeks ago. And I was like, why am I not tired? And I am pretty sure it's because I had started taking this, which now, like looking back, it actually does make sense, because my body was clearly just lacking some of the nutrients it needed. I drink this before a green smoothie and like when I'm on an empty stomach. Anyways, I'm gonna drink this. Cleo's finished with her breakfast, so we need to take her out on a little morning walk, come back in, shower, do a little bit of work, catch up with you guys in a little bit. Oh, I didn't tell you guys, it tastes like pineapple, by the way. It does not taste like some murky health drink. It literally just tastes like some kind of like sweet pineapple juice. It's so yummy. Cleo, you want outside? Go ahead. guys, quick late afternoon check-in. We've had a nice productive day so far. I realized mid-morning that I need to go get my nails done. One of them broke. I'm due for a manicure anyways, and literally today is probably the only day this week I think I have time to do that. So I was able to get an appointment, which I'm about to go run to now. I think I'm just gonna do the same color again. Such a classic. And then also I had a Amazon Fresh delivery coming today, but their system is down. Like all of Amazon and a lot of other websites are like no-go right now. So I'm gonna stop at the grocery store while I'm out, which is fun because you guys know I don't really go to the grocery store that much, but I need to pick up some ingredients because there is some much needed baking that I wanna do. So we gotta grab that. But yeah, there's the update. Very good day so far. And I feel like we are very much on track to be having a very good reset. You guys have got to try this egg white pizza. It is so good. Like seriously, it tastes like regular pizza, but it is so much healthier. You feel like $1,000,000 the day after eating it. Also, I wanted to ask, what do we think of Love is Blind this season? I am the biggest Love is Blind fan. Like, been watching since season 1. I started watching episode 1 this new season, and I could not get into it. Like, I just felt like it was so blah. Like, I didn't really care for following along because you guys know I've been watching Sex and the City a lot, so I just put that back on. And then my friend was like, no, please, like, give it one more try. And I did give it one more try this season, and it definitely is gotten a lot better. The people are just wild, and I feel like there's a lot of drama this season, so I'm actually enjoying it, but I'm curious what you guys think. There's a lot of hoots this season. If you guys haven't noticed, since being back in the States, I have kind of taken up a love for baking. It's been really nice having, you know, an oven and access to more ingredients at the store. And something I've been doing is just baking goods and gifting it to friends and family. And I remember growing up, like, we would get care packages in the mail during the holidays. And that's something I want to start doing. So we're making some cookies and we are going to send these off to some family. And it just feels so good. Like, this is definitely a form of wellness, in my opinion, for the mental health. If you are trying to, you know, just like release endorphins or feel good, do something for someone else and you will feel great. I had been meaning to do this for so long. So not only did it feel great, just like finally checking this off of my to-do list, but I just know my family members are going to really appreciate receiving these in the mail, and it's just like a small form of gratitude I can show for them. You guys, the cookies look absolutely epic. Pretty good. I honestly like chewy cookies a lot. Kind of like prefer a chewy cookie, but these are fun. They're like super light. I wonder why they're not as chewy as like some other cookies are. Like, what makes a cookie chewy? Okay, but yay, I'm so excited to package all of these up along with some granola and just send it off to some family. It's gonna feel so good. I've been meaning to do this for such a long time, and I just know if I don't do it right now, it's not gonna get done. So I'm glad we did. I'll show you guys how the granola turns out tomorrow. But besides that, I'm heading to bed, and I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning, happy Tuesday. It has been a really nice morning around here. I've just been kind of sitting doing computer work for the past couple of hours. I really like Tuesdays because I don't go to the gym first thing in the morning since I do Pilates at like 9:45. So just gives me a nice break up in my routine, which I love. But today's gonna be another good day. I have to mail off the treats to my family. I want to do some cleaning around here. I gotta fill out my calendar, just like do some like kind of planning type of stuff, and then if we have time I might do a little bit of meal prep. It's gonna be a good day, I can already feel it, but I have to eat something because obviously we need some fuel to go work out. I've only had water and coffee today. Before I eat though, I'm gonna have my ag1 like I always do before I eat. We're kind of switching up our routine already this morning. How about let's do their tropical flavor. It's so fun that they have different flavors. I typically just stick to the normal one, but if I want to like switch things up, I might throw in the tropical. And I was really happy when I found out that these have no added sugar or artificial sweeteners, because I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to be like loading stuff like that into my body first thing in the morning. So love that. Okay, but does anyone else get like this excited to make their morning drinky? It's so good. Whenever I drink this flavor, it reminds me of like being a kid and being in a hotel and drinking juice, like at their breakfast buffet. I don't know why. It's very nostalgic, yummy taste. Here are the other flavors I have. I haven't tried them yet, but this is berry and then also citrus. Comment below though, what is one thing you have added to your routine recently that you just feel like is making all the difference and an impact in your life? Because honestly for me, it's gonna be this one. I do love like my other fall drinks, obviously. It just feels so good to have something new in my routine that I know is aiding with the balance that I need. If I'm being honest, I do feel like sometimes this time of year, it can be a little bit more difficult to prioritize balance and taking care of our health, just like with the holidays and travel. But if there's one thing that I have learned, it's that when you do the smaller things to set yourself up for success, it makes having that balanced lifestyle so much easier. Example A right here. I tried to be super transparent about the cost of this. In my opinion, this is an amazing option for somebody who is okay with investing some money into their health, but you just don't have like endless cash to be spending on tons of different like powders and supplements. I told you guys yesterday that this replaces the need for a multivitamin or a pre or probiotic. So what's cool is the way that the cost works out is you're getting like over $7 of nutrients for less than $3 a day. I am really happy to have made it part of my morning routine, and if you guys want to do the same, you can click the link down in the description to learn more about ag1. And if you end up trying it, please send me a message and let me know what you think. I love when you guys take my recommendations. It literally means so much to me. I'll have their link below, and thank you so much to ag1 for partnering with me on this video. Wait, y'all, it feels so fall out, and I don't even just mean like the crisp air. All of the trees on Main Street where I live are changing. Ah, so pretty. It is so pretty. And you'll have to remember, this is my first time watching the seasons change in America in 6 years. So the hype is very I literally love where I live so much. I was just walking back from my class and I just like got in the best mood because it's so nice around here. Alright, hi guys. It is a lot later on now. I'm currently cleaning, as you can see. I'm actually going to Chicago like first thing tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go hang out with my cousin for the weekend and just like see a couple of my other friends that live there. I am very excited, but I'm gonna be honest, like I feel like for me, the night before I travel, I'm always just running around doing so much stuff. And I also have a tiny little surprise I'm gonna share right now because you guys have watched this whole video. But the trip I have after my Chicago trip is in another couple of weeks. And guess where I'm going? Korea. I'm going to Korea in a few weeks. I'm so excited. I will share more details with you guys. But I feel like me explaining that probably will make this video make more sense when I say that like I have a lot of stuff going on over the next month because a big chunk of my time is gonna be in Korea. But yeah, I'm basically just like really trying to lock in and make sure I'm, you know, just taking care of myself and just like doing all the good things during my free time before I get busy. But okay, for the other couple of things I gotta do tonight, first, we are gonna quickly prep our coming home meal. This is something I've been doing for a while now. Whenever I travel, the night before I leave, I will usually cook myself up like a soup or just some kind of nice hearty meal. I freeze it and then I just leave it in my freezer. Obviously I freeze it. I put it in my freezer. And then when I come back from the airport, because I get in at like, I don't know, 7 or 8 p.m. on Sunday, I can just open my freezer, stick the soup in the microwave, and I have myself a nice home cooked meal. And I think after that, we will probably be ready to go to bed. Take clean hands, so satisfying. All right, there we have it. Got some nice little boxes of granola ready to show up to my cousin's house with. Bada bing, bada boom. That feels good. Super easy, guys. I'm telling you, everyone loves receiving granola. Besides this, I am just gonna go ahead and go hop in the shower and try to get to bed at a reasonable time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun bringing you around with me over the past couple of days. I just feel like this time of year, so many random things can just slip through the cracks. And if you feel like you've been putting something off, whether it is like scheduling that appointment you've been meaning to do, or bringing back those library books, or trying that new workout class, I hope this video can just, you know, inspire you to finally tackle like those things that you've been putting off. Also, I just hope you can give yourself grace if you are in a really busy season of life. I know just like besides the holidays for students right now, there's like a lot of midterms and stuff like that coming up before fall break. And I know like for work, a lot of people have deadlines with the end of the year coming up. And I just want to say, I am rooting for all of you and I'm thinking about all of you. And I hope you guys are just taking care, both mentally and physically. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. If you're still here, comment below the pumpkin emoji because pumpkins come up. Love you guys so much and I'll see you very soon in the next vlog. Bye y'all.